Hey guys, welcome back. So today is a very fun video. I have a special guest and we are testing out the Dunkin Donuts new holiday drinks, and they're all right here. You can't really see them, but they're right in front of us. We have our straws, we have everything, and we labeled everything so we would know which one was which. So these are all iced. I think you can get them in hot too. Yeah, you definitely can, but we just like iced drinks better than the hot drink. We have not tried any of these yet, so this is gonna be kind of like the first time testing them out, and we thought it would be fun to do it together instead of just me doing it by myself. So I've been wanting to do this for like a couple weeks now, so I'm glad we were finally able to just sit down. And do you want to say your name?
My name is Nick. I am Kim's husband, and I am trying the drinks with her.
Yeah, so this is fun. You guys know I've been doing like a lot of holiday videos this year, and I love Dunkin' Donuts. We both love Dunkin' Donuts.
Yes.
Like way better.
Coffee.
Yeah. How much more do you like Dunkin' better than Starbucks?
It's way better. Starbucks is way too bougie for me.
We really like Dunkin' Donuts so much better. We go like multiple times in a week, and it's our favorite, and we always get iced coffee. So let's get on into it. If you guys want to find out our thoughts on all of Dunkin' Donuts' new holiday drinks, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get on into it. Okay guys, so let's test out the first one. This one is toasted white chocolate.
Frosted white chocolate.
Frosted white chocolate, yes. And just so you guys know, these all have regular milk in them. I didn't get almond milk because almond milk makes things very sweet, so I didn't want to like alter the flavor. Okay, so I'm gonna try it out first. Yeah, because last time I got almond milk and in like a drink, and it made it super, super sweet, even though I always drink almond milk like regularly.
Before we start, why don't they have Thanksgiving flavors?
Well, what would it even be though? Like you turkey, giblet.
You know, you have your gravy,
ice,
you have stuffing, turkey. I'm just saying.
Stuffing flavor drink. Would anyone want that?
Yes.
He says yes, because he likes Thanksgiving.
Love Thanksgiving.
Okay, so these I think also came out like, I think like 2 weeks ago, or like maybe like November 1st. But anyways, so this is toasted white chocolate.
Frosted white chocolate.
Frosted. Okay, sorry. I don't know why I keep saying toasted.
Toasted's the last one.
Toasted's the last one. That's fine. Okay. Okay.
What do you think?
It's okay.
Try.
I don't know if it's gonna be my favorite. It's not like insanely sweet.
It's not bad.
Do you like it?
I kind of like it.
Nick likes it.
Very festive.
It's definitely festive.
It's not too strong on the white chocolate. I was shocked.
I feel like this might taste better hot.
Yeah. I think
Maybe
it'd be too
hot.
sweet if it was hot.
Too sweet?
Yeah.
It's all... Do you think it's too sweet?
I don't think... Well, I like sweet, so I don't think it's that bad.
Do you? I thought you know.
It's not too much on the white chocolate, though.
Yeah, it's not too white chocolatey. Is that even a good description? Like
you taste more coffee than anything.
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely sweet. I don't... Like, something about the aftertaste I don't, like, love. Yeah. I love chocolate. Like, I love chocolate flavored things. By the way, do you notice we're wearing Christmas shirts? Mine's a grumpy cat.
Mine is a Santa
May he
cat.
rest in peace. Yeah.
I'll
Do
give
you
another
want to try it
sip.
again?
I could see it being too much after a while.
Yeah, like you probably... These are all smalls, by the way, because just because we're testing them out, I wasn't going to get like a medium.
I think a medium would be too much on that one.
Too much. But personally, I think maybe in a hot version, it might be better. The ice, I don't know. I don't know if I would get it again.
Yeah.
Would you get it again? Like for
maybe. Have to be in the mood.
You have to be in the mood. I would try it in hot. This one, I think, well, you can hear Kitty crying in the background. This one's Merry Mocha Mint, and this is different from peppermint. I didn't get that one. That's like the 5th holiday drink, but that's out every single year, and that's always my favorite is peppermint mocha. I have peppermint mocha all year long, but this one's different. So,
you want to go first?
You try first.
Okay. Merry Mocha Mint.
Merry Mocha Mint. So.
Oof, I do not like that.
No?
No, not at all. I will not be taking a
They
second
also,
sip of that.
yeah. They also asked if I wanted whipped cream on them, but I just said no because I didn't want to like alter the taste.
It tastes like watered down mint. The hint of coffee.
I don't know if I like this. I
No.
think I like the regular peppermint better. It's definitely, I could taste more mint. This one's more minty than the peppermint mocha, which I think is a little more chocolatey. Does that make sense? What, do you think it's too minty?
I think it's watered down minty. It tastes like mint just inside water. That's it, with like a coffee like aftertaste.
It tastes kind of like the Girl Scouts Thin Mints a little. I feel like maybe they recycled that one because remember they had the Girl Scouts Thin Mints.
Thin mints are a little better.
Flavors? Yeah.
Thin mints definitely taste better than that.
I
That's
don't
just my
know.
opinion.
Would I get this again?
I definitely would
That's
not.
the question. I like to ask after each drink, would we get this again?
I definitely wouldn't.
I think if I'm going to pick between this one and the regular peppermint mocha, Oliver, I think I would get the regular peppermint mocha, but let me know if you guys have tried the new Merry Mint mocha. It's okay.
Yeah.
I'm not like obsessed.
All right, now this one I'm most excited for.
This one is Nick's.
I
like,
love eggnog. This is the
this
eggnog
is
flavor.
eggnog.
I will be trying this one
Who
first.
likes eggnog?
I love eggnog every year. Yep, that's a good one for me. Got the cinnamon,
know, I
got the
feel like-
eggnog flavor. It's good.
Oh, and I think, oh yeah, you could see they sprinkled cinnamon on top of this one.
It's not too much.
Not too much?
No, I think it's perfect.
Is your favorite so
I
far?
love this one.
I don't know if I like have ever really had, well, I guess I've had eggnog. Do you have eggnog?
Every year.
Every year? Okay.
Mhm.
I mean, I don't know if I've bought it.
Remember your sister gets me eggnog every year? Or Paul does?
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's good.
I told
It's
you.
actually really
That's
good.
a good one.
I think I like it better than, I mean,
It's
yeah.
my favorite one so far.
It's really good. This is the best one.
I told you, yeah, it's a good one.
It has like an interesting taste. I mean, obviously, if you know what eggnog tastes like, then I guess it tastes like. I like it.
Make
I'm
sure these drinks you
surprised.
mix them before you drink
Oh
them
yeah,
too.
mix them. Take the straw. These straws, by the way, are from TK Maxx. Mix everything so it doesn't sit on the bottom.
Flavor
That
goes to
one
the
was
bottom.
surprised. That surprised
It's
me.
not too much. It's good. It's
No,
nice
it's
on
not
the cinnamon
too
too.
sweet. I like the cinnamon, and yeah, it's really good.
All right, you ready for the last one?
I'm not used to having so much coffee. Like regular coffee, I usually drink decaf. Okay, the last one. I was excited about this one. I feel like I said that about all of them, but I was like really wanting to taste this one because I will tell you why. Because I was reading on Instagram that Starbucks took away their gingerbread drink and everyone was so mad. Like they were really mad about it that they didn't bring it back. So then I saw everyone saying you have to go to Dunkin Donuts to get the gingerbread. So I guess if you want your gingerbread, you have to go to Dunkin Donuts. Starbucks does not have it anymore. So
Toasted
props.
gingerbread.
Toasted gingerbread.
You can go first since you're most excited.
Okay. Okay. I like it. It's good. I never had a gingerbread coffee ever. I never had the Starbucks one. I like it. It's sweet. It's sweet.
This
but
one's
it's
surprising. Good. I thought this was going to be disgusting.
I thought so too. I thought it was going to have a weird taste, but it's
No,
actually,
it's actually really good.
These two are way better than those two.
It actually tastes like gingerbread.
Yeah, it does. It's like very authentico. Good.
Wow, that one's not bad at all. What was
I'd order that one again.
What was your favorite one out of all of them? Out of frosted white chocolate, Merry Mocha Mint, eggnog, and toasted gingerbread.
I think my favorite's the gingerbread, and eggnog is a close second. I didn't think I was gonna like the eggnog one because I just never really like. I don't know. I never like had an eggnog craving, but
I'm the
I was
opposite.
like-
I like eggnog the best. Toasted gingerbread I didn't think I was going to like, but that's a second place.
surprised you.
White chocolate's number 3, and a far fourth place for me. Far fourth
Yeah.
place for me is Merry Mocha Mint. Did
Yeah.
not like that one at all.
My rank is toasted gingerbread, eggnog, the frosted white chocolate, but I want to try it in hot because I feel like it will be better, like I said before. And last place is probably the mocha mint, which I'm surprised about because I thought the mocha mint was going to be my favorite, but no, it's not that good. Really,
No,
it's not that good.
I didn't like it at all.
Yeah.
But
So,
gingerbread surprised me, I will say.
that one's good. See, I'm taking another sip.
I'm taking my eggnog. I'll be drinking this later.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
You filthy animal.
Oh, stop it. Home Alone quotes, here we go. Too early. Simon
Name
Thanksgiving
your
yet.
favorite Home Alone quote in the comments. Okay, so yeah, let us know if you guys are going to be testing out any of these drinks. You have our favorites and our recommendations, and you know, everyone is going to be different. You might like the Merry Mocha one, but I would say next time I go to Dunkin', I would probably get the toasted gingerbread. And yeah.
Or eggnog.
Try the eggnog. It was really surprising. So.
But I thought frosted white chocolate and hot was a good call.
Yeah.
That might be a good one. We'll try that next time.
And then of course, don't forget the regular peppermint one. That one's really good too. That's just like a classic, but I would recommend that one too. That's going to be my, in between like eggnog and toasted gingerbread, regular peppermint mocha. Yeah. That's it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos with me, say it in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching. And do you want to say anything?
Just take care and happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully another holiday video soon. Hope you guys like this one. Bye!
Bye!